Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are in good health. I'm Nur Safitri Muhammad, a student majoring in chemistry, State University of Gorontalo. On this occasion, I will present to the result of the practicum that I have done. My practicum this time is entitled Synthesis of Calcium Sulfate from Limestone. Title: Synthesis of Calcium Sulfate from Limestone. Objective: Study the synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Literature review. Calcium sulfate, one of biomaterial high potential for dental and orthopedic application due to its similarity to the mineral constituents of bone in the human body. Three polymorphic form of anhydrous calcium sulfate exist, namely 3 calcium sulfate, 2 calcium sulfate, and 1 calcium sulfate, which exist in ascending order of temperature. 2 calcium sulfate is known as the most stable anhydride under ordinary atmospheric conditions. In this research, the effect of different calcination temperature on the purity and properties of 2 calcium sulfate powder were studied. Powder of anhydrous calcium sulfate was successfully synthesized via aqueous precipitation method at room temperature. Limestone is a sediment that contains many dead marine organisms that turn into calcium carbonate. These rocks are the result of buildup and sedimentation thousands of years ago, forming rock still yellowish white to brownish. The pure mineral of limestone contains CaCO3 as calcite. Most commercial limestone contain iron oxide, alumina, magnesia, silica, and sulfur with CaO and MgO as its main components. In ancient time, limestone was used as a hardening wall, but in modern industry, it was used as cement-making material. Experimental workshop. Weighing 2.0 grams of already crushed limestone is smooth. Heat in the furnace at 900 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Soak the powder with 50 milliliters distilled water and 25 milliliters of HCl for 15 minutes while stirring. Filter the solution and take filtrate. The results are filtered. Concentrate aqueous solution by means of heat. Vaporize a solution, not a precipitate, is formed when formed. Stop heating and add aqueous from by drop until it dissolves again. Add drop by drop 1 molar H2SO5 while stirring until it formed a solid white. Help with coolant if necessary. Filter the sediment that formed and then pat dry. Weigh solid format. Mass of filter paper. Mass of empty filter paper. The result is 1.0167 grams. Qualitative test. Dissolve a little bit of result in the synthesis of sulfuric acid and drop it with 1 molar KSCN. Take a little synthesis salt and dissolve with 10 milliliter of nitric acid, 1 molar, and a few drops of sodium carbonate with 1 molar. The first test tube, the color of the solution turned pale pink, and the two test tube, the color of the solution remains clear and produce many bubbles. Result and discuss. Result: grind the limestone in finite particle, then side particle, then sip with a variation of 100 mesh. The through limestone was transformed into finite particles, weighing about 2 grams of each finite limestone, then heating into the furnace for 1 hour. 2 grams of each, the 100 mesh were heated in the furnace. The color of the limestone after being heated into ivory white. Soaking the powder with 15 milliliter of distilled water and 25 milliliter of HCl for 15 minutes while stirring, then filter. The solution faded brown, and after it was filtered, it becomes clear. Concentrate the filtrate obtained by heating or evaporating. It forms sediment, and the clear of the argument becomes faded pink. Adding aqueous, drop by drop while heated, no sediment. Adding drops by drops concentrates H2SO4 while stirred on. Wet deposits are formed. The deposit is calcium sulfate. Filter the precipitate that was formed and dry the precipitation. Deposit calcium sulfate is formed. Begin the precipitation that was formed. Mass of filter paper, mass of empty filter paper. The result is 1.0167 grams. Dissolve a little amount of solid from the synthesis in sulfuric acid and a new drop of KSCN. The color of the solution turned pale pink. And the two test tubes, dissolve a small number of solid in 10 milliliter of HNO3, 1 molar, then add a few drops of Na2CO3. The color of the solution remains clear and produces many bubbles. It is the calculating weight the sediment. The sediment, the resulting of the sediment is 1.0167, and the rendement is 50.835%, and the gravimetric factor is 0.29 grams. And the percent of Ca in calcium sulfate is 14.74%. Discussion. Found as much as 2 grams of limestone has a goal of being vaporized at 900 degrees Celsius temperatures. Because the size of the particle radius and the velocity of evaporation. By reducing the limestone particle, the heat given to vaporize the limestone can be reduced because it travels faster to the nucleus of smaller particles than larger ones. So the time it will take to vaporize the perfectly available yams will be quicker. Warming at 900 degrees Celsius temperature for 1 hour is intended to vaporize carbon dioxide compound in limestone, so that the solvent that remain are calcium monoxide solvent. Reaction CaCO3, the result is CaO plus CO2. After leaving the furnace, the limestone powder is put in desiccator to quickly to continue the produce. The heating process at 900 degrees Celsius before remaining CaO solid. Furthermore, the cooled limestone powder is mixed with HCl and distilled water, 25 milliliter HCl and 50 milliliter aqueous. This process is carried out for 15 minutes while stirring to accelerate between particles so that faster it reacts. The distilled water and HCl present in the powder serve as a cleaner, where this clean impurity that when CaO is reacted with reagent, it can react perfectly. Then refilter the white deposit that formed. Next, weigh the white deposit that is formed, resulting in the weight of the sediment is 1.0167 grams. Further on the qualitative test, the solid format in the synthesis were extracted slightly and diluted in sulfuric acid and rubbed with KSCN 1 molar, giving the otherwise clear a pink solution. Similar reaction obtained between calcium sulfate synthesis salt are suggested. KSCN, which is CaSO4 to KSCN. The result is K2SO4 plus CaSCN2. The pink color of the solution is substance found in K2SO4, while this white sediment is CaSCN2. The resulting in deposit in the presence of bubbles that form CaCO3 and NaNO3 reaction. Here is a picture qualitative test. Conclusion: limestone is one of the principal sources in the manufacture of calcium sulfate. Since limestone has a high calcium content, the calcium sulfate deposit obtained from limestone at this time of the trial is 1.0167 grams, whereas the qualitized calcium sulfate deposit were made clear with sulfuric acid and KSCN. There were white deposits and color changed into pink, while the time it was re-injected with nitric acid and sodium carbonate from white deposit, and there was a bubble of gas. Calcium sulfate deposit weight obtained by 50% and calcium deposit gained 14 0.74%. All right, that's my presentation. Hopefully it can be useful for all of you. I'm sorry if there are wrong words. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.